Okay, we've got Lego City 60197. It's been ages since I've done a train, just because there wasn't any to buy. I'm going to start with the price. The price is all over the shop, depends where you go. I paid 149 Australian dollars for this, for those you aren't in Australia, from Kmart. Target were 175, Lego's 199. Sorry, Target didn't have any. Big W were 179. So cheapest 149. Yeah, big savings. I don't know how they can justify it, the money that they charge for these things. But yep, you heard right, $149 from Kmart. This model comes with the power functions. The awesome thing about it is that it's actually Bluetooth, so you can use it with your smartphone or an iPad. I haven't opened it up yet, this is still sealed. I wanted to show you the box. I'll just show you the edge. Alright, there's the length, 69.5 centimeters. Alright, there's one end. Now the back. I've got to try and get this under 10 minutes, guys. So I'm just going to do the unboxing. And then I'll show you when I've finished building the train itself. There's the other end. Sorry, just turn it. And then the bottom is nothing exciting, it's just got stuff on it. Alright, just going to pass the... Just want to show you that, see how it's download the Lego apps. And I also got a couple of these boxes. I'll do an unboxing on that, that won't take long. But there's the other new train that they've just brought out as well, which is there's the number there, 60198. That one I haven't seen in the shop yet, and I don't intend on buying that one. Alright, so let's unbox it. Just pass the phone to my partner. What's the reflection on that? You can see my ugly mug. Alright, let's open her up. See what we've got inside. Quite a lot. So, number 2, number 5, number 4, number 7, number nothing, number 3, number 6, and number 1. Alright, so there's your little box. I didn't get that close. So there's a different connection now for Bluetooth. Alright, so it's still the same size battery box as the old ones, but it's just a different connections. You've only got one set of connections now because you don't need the infrared for these remotes because they're Bluetooth. There's a little remote. Okay. So it comes with 4, 8, 12, 16 pieces of curved track. 16 pieces. And 4 straight. And there's the front. Alright. How about we open that up while I'm filming. So we've got 3 bases. There's the front of the train. See, it's quite a decent size. There we go. So, just push this to one side so you guys can see this. Now I bought 2 of these trains. Reason being is I want to see how you've got the engine carriage. Well, I want to go carriage engine, so that it's one big train like you do with the orange one. I can't remember off the top of my head what number that was. But there's the stickers for it.
You can't see your face either, by the way.
That's good. No one wants to see that. We're here for this.
No, but you can see me in the background.
Right, so there's your stickers. And we've got quite a few books. Quite a lot of books. So we've got one for the platform. And it goes to number 3. Which is strange. 2 must be in there somewhere. So 3 is the main engine. And it goes to 5 for the carriage. And then 4 for the other carriage. And then 2. That must be 2 to build the big. 2 and 3 is for the engine. Now, one of the, I don't know which one it is. I think it's, I won't know. Alright, that's your dining carriage, because it's got your little cups on it on the outside. And then that one is your passenger carriage, because it's got the seats on the side, so you can tell the difference in the stickers. We can have a look. Look inside at all. No, there is things on YouTube that you can have a look about inside the train. So what I'll do is that's the unboxing to it. There's a little remote in case you want to see it again. You can rewind it and have a look. There's your stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'll build the engine and I'll film it, and the carriages, film them, put it back onto YouTube so you guys can have a look. This will be part 1. I'll do a part 2 and then go from there. Thanks for watching.